Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how you can create your first gig on your Fiverr account. So without wasting our time, let's jump into it. So to create your Fiverr gig, first log into your account and click on create new gig. After clicking on that, a new page will open where first you need to type what you are offering or what service you want to provide. Once you do that, now select the category and a subcategory that suits your service. You can also give gig metadata. This can vary with the service you provide. Now enter 5 tags that are related to your gig. Once you are done with tags, click on save and continue. Here you can offer 3 different packages, but I'm going to keep a single package. Just give the name of your package and add a short description. Select the delivery time, revisions, and other different things that can vary depending on what service you're offering. Now add your gig price. I'm going to offer this service for only $5. Here you can add extra services with extra charges. And again, click on save and continue. Now here add the detailed description of your service. This is a really important step to grab the attention of your buyer. Notice how I have highlighted the main features to grab the attention of the buyer, and you can also apply those kind of things to make your description more attractive to the buyers. Here you can add FAQ, but in my case I don't think I have to. Now here you can add the requirements that are needed for you to complete the project, but you can always ask for the requirements in the chat section. Now once you complete all 4 steps, now you need to share your sample works for your buyers to know what you are offering. Now in my case I don't need to upload a video, but if you are providing services like video editing, then it's mandatory to upload a video. Finally, check the box and click on save and continue. Now just click on publish gig, and there you go, you have just created your first Fiverr gig. So that's how you can create a gig on Fiverr. I hope you liked this video, and if you want more Fiverr or freelancing types of videos, then comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.